How to duet video on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. If you want to make a duet with any video from here, then go to the right side of the screen. Then tap on the share icon as shown. Here you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Now swipe left and tap on Duet. You can now choose how you want to do the duet from the options above the capture button. For example, choose top and bottom. After choosing, tap and hold the capture button to record a video. Then tap on the tick button once you're done recording. You can now edit the video as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. After that, tap on Next to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily make a duet on TikTok.